The universe is vast, filled with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Each star, each planet, holds secrets that spark our curiosity and drive our quest for knowledge. Building an AI chatbot is like creating your own mini-universe, a digital cosmos where you are the architect, designing interactions and experiences. A digital space teeming with potential, where every line of code adds a new star to your galaxy. Imagine infusing a conversational partner with intelligence, ready to answer questions, tell stories, or even just lend an ear. It's like having a friend who is always there, always learning. This is the magic of AI, and it's closer than you think. The tools and knowledge are at your fingertips, waiting for you to take the plunge. You don't need to be a rocket scientist. With today's resources, anyone can dive into the world of AI. With a bit of guidance, you can build your own chatbot and touch the future of technology. Step-by-step tutorials and community support make the journey accessible. Think of it, your very own creation, capable of learning and growing. It's like nurturing a digital being that evolves with every interaction. It's an incredible journey, and the first step is simply reaching out and taking hold of the possibilities. The future is in your hands. So, are you ready to embark on this thrilling adventure? The universe of AI awaits you, full of endless opportunities and discoveries. Before we launch into the creation process, let's gather our tools. Fear not, you won't need a telescope or a spaceship. The beauty of AI is its accessibility. You'll primarily need a computer and an internet connection. Next, we'll choose a platform. Think of this as the launchpad for your chatbot. Numerous options exist, from user-friendly platforms like Dialogflow and ChatFuel to more code-heavy ones. Don't be overwhelmed. We'll explore these options in detail later. Remember, each platform has its strengths, making your choice a crucial first step. Don't worry, we'll navigate this together, ensuring you have the right tools for your unique chatbot creation. With our tools prepped, we're ready to build. This is where your chatbot takes shape, like stars forming a constellation. We begin by defining its purpose. What do you envision your chatbot doing? Answering customer queries, providing entertainment, or perhaps offering companionship? Once we have a clear objective, we can craft its personality and tone. Will it be witty, informative, or perhaps a bit sassy? Remember, a well-defined personality makes your chatbot engaging and memorable. Next, we'll focus on conversation flow. Think of it as mapping out the possible paths a conversation could take. This involves understanding user intent and providing relevant responses. It's like teaching your chatbot how to navigate a conversation, ensuring a smooth and natural experience. Section 4. Guiding your chatbot to the stars. Our chatbot is almost ready for launch. This is an exciting milestone, but the journey doesn't end here. But even stars need guidance to shine their brightest. Your chatbot, like a star, needs careful nurturing and direction. This is where testing and refining come into play. It's a crucial phase that ensures your chatbot performs optimally. Once your chatbot has a basic conversational framework, it's time to engage with it, identify any hiccups, and iron out the kinks. This process helps in making the interactions smoother and more natural. Think of it as a dance, a constant back and forth between you and your creation. Each step you take helps your chatbot learn and improve. You learn its steps, it learns yours, and together, you create a seamless flow. Remember, patience is key. The more you practice, the better it gets. Building a truly intelligent chatbot takes time and iteration. It's a labor of love that requires dedication and persistence. Don't be afraid to experiment. Trying out new ideas can lead to unexpected breakthroughs. The beauty of AI is its ability to adapt and learn. With each new piece of data, it becomes more refined and capable. With each interaction, your chatbot will evolve, becoming smarter and more intuitive. This continuous learning process is what makes AI so powerful. So, embrace the journey and enjoy the ride. The path to creating a stellar chatbot is filled with challenges, but the rewards are well worth it. Section 5. Embracing the AI Cosmos. Congratulations. You've embarked on a journey into the cosmos of AI. This is a realm where imagination meets technology, and the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. Your chatbot, your creation, is now ready to interact with the world. It's a testament to your hard work and creativity, a digital entity born from your vision. But this is just the beginning, the dawn of a new era in your journey with AI. The world of AI is vast and ever-expanding, with endless possibilities waiting to be explored. Each neural network, each algorithm, is a step further into this expansive cosmos. By building your own chatbot, you've opened a door to a universe of opportunities. This is a gateway to innovations that can change the world. You've dipped your toes into the future, gaining valuable skills that are only going to become more sought after. These skills are the foundation of tomorrow's technological advancements. As you continue to learn and grow, remember the thrill of creating something from scratch, of watching your chatbot come to life. It's a journey of growth, much like a plant reaching for the sun. Hold on to that feeling, for it's the spark of innovation, the same spark that drives us to explore the universe and beyond. It's the essence of discovery and creativity. So, keep exploring, keep creating, and who knows what wonders you'll bring to life. The future is in your hands, and the cosmos of AI awaits your next big idea.